In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix no matches on your DUET dating app. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did to fix this. You're going to firstly close the DUET dating app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So in here, we're just going to scroll down and then click on general, as you can see. So click on general, and in here scroll down once again and click on storage. And in here, you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, all of the apps that we have on our phone. Now just swipe up and click on search right here. Search for DUET and then just click on the app and then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app. And here, just going to wait and then click on the reinstall app button in here, as you can see. Now we're just going to simply wait for the DUET dating app to completely update to its latest version. Because the reason why you might not get matches right now is because you have the old version of the app, and that's why you're not being connected to new people, if that makes sense. So try this and then try once again and see if you now get matches. If it still is not working for you, well, it might be that unfortunately people aren't swiping enough on you right now. So maybe try to change photos or change descriptions and stuff like that and see if that can also fix your issue.